Namaste viewers and welcome to The Fact. Today we're going to look at 9 facts about India. So continue watching. I'm Aryan and today we're going to talk about a country which has broken many world records. A country rich in culture and tradition, great in cinematic history and with great food. That's right, I'm talking about India, a land deep rooted in its tradition. And here are 9 facts about India. Number 9. Advanced surgery from ancient times. Do you know plastic surgery was invented in India? Way back in the 6th century BCE. Somewhere around that time lived a great doctor named Sushruta. He's called one of the founding fathers of surgery. His Sushruta Samhita is a real gem of a book. It covers over 1001 medical diseases, all kinds of medicinal plants and a lot of medical surgery. It also describes a surgical reconstruction of the nose. So it's quite clear, if you lived back in that time, you could get a rhinoplasty of your nose. Number 8. The first diamond dealer. Up until the 18th century, India was the only source of diamonds in the world. According to the Gemological Institute of America, these precious and shiny stones were first discovered in the 4th century BCE. Of course, mining was out of the question, so even in India, diamonds were rare. But that was okay though, because for these precious stones, the demand was equally limited. Only the wealthiest could afford such a luxury. Since then, countries like Russia, Botswana, and the Democratic Republic of Congo have taken the lead in diamond production. Number 7. One of the earliest civilizations. Civilized urban life, as we know it today, dates back to about 5000 years ago in India. Of course, they didn't have any central heating or smartphones, but the Indus Valley civilization is one of the most advanced in the world. The Ancient History Encyclopedia says that by 2600 BCE, dozens of towns, cities, and villages belonged to that civilization. And I must say that they had quite a comfy life at that time. Houses had bathrooms and wells, every city had a drainage system, and what else? Social conditions were also much better than any other civilization at that time. On top of that, the ancient Indians had a very strange, mysterious writing system that scientists still can't decipher to the day. Who knows what wonders these ancient texts hide? Moving on. Number 6. A civilization ahead of its time. During the Vedic period, which lasted for about 1500 to 500 BCE, the Indian society was one of the most equal in the known world at that time. Although it was still patriarchal, women got a lot of respect, could become sages and siddhas, receive equal education with men, and enjoy all kinds of political rights. Political meetings were rarely held without the presence of women, and men would wisely listen to their words. Then I guess you could call the Vedic period the Golden Age. Number 5. The most important number. And what do you think that might be? We'd be in a whole lot of trouble without this number. There would be no computers without this number. Okay, enough riddles. The number I'm talking about is 0. The concept of 0 and its rules of its use were first invented in India around the 7th century CE. Before that, the idea of nothing was not even treated as a number, no more than an empty space between real numbers. Number 4. Clean hair. Has the word shampoo ever struck you in the mind? Say it out loud for a few times and you know what I mean. As for India, we must say thanks for the word. The word shampoo is derived from the Hindi word shampoo, which means to massage or knead. At that time, shampoo was only common in India. The Indians massaged their head with various herbs and extracts and washed them with water to keep their head clean and germ-free. The practice of using shampoo did not come to Europe until 1,000 years later in the early 19th century. Looks like they took long enough. Moving on. Number 3. Math and astronomy genius. In ancient India, astronomy and astrology and mathematics was 3 major disciplines since 1500 BCE or even earlier. But arguably, one of India's greatest minds lived in the 5th century BCE. His name was Aryabhatta, and he wrote a treatise on astronomy that became the foundation of many leaders' studies. Despite using a geocentric model of the solar system which showed the sun and the moon revolving around the earth, Aryabhatta presented many ideas that are still used today. For example, he calculated the length of the year to the exact minute and calculated the value of pi, and also explained that the moon and the planets shine because of sunlight reflecting off them. Number 2. The guru of games. Do you play chess? Even if you don't, you know what it is. But did you know that its ancestor was also born in India too? The ancient game was called Chaturanga. It appears around the 6th century BCE. We do not know the exact rules, but another famous game is Snakes and Ladders. I'm sure you know it. It's not known where and when it was invented, but most say it comes from the 13th century and it was called Moksha-Pat. Number 1. Humble island beginning. India was not always a subcontinent. In the era of dinosaurs, over 100 million years ago, it was actually an island. It had broken off from a supercontinent and slowly traveled north and collided with the Eurasian plate with a colossal boom. And this was how the Himalayas were born. So, do you know more facts about India? If yes, let me know down in the comment section and I'll pin the best comment in my next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.